हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू अवर न्यू वीडियो। आज हम करेंगे कुछ प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़, हाउ मेनी अवॉर्डीज़ हैव वन द 2021 लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बारदोलोई अवार्ड फॉर नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन एंड कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ असम गवर्नमेंट? ठीक है, यू हैव 5 seconds टू कमेंट। The correct answer is we have won 3 awards. Option number C is the right answer. Next, who appoints the MD and CEO of public sector banks and insurance companies? ये क्वेश्चन शायद ही किसी के दिमाग में आया हो, लेकिन कोई तो होता है ना जो MD और CEO अपॉइंट करता है PSU बैंक्स के, पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स के और इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज़ के। जो MD और CEO को अपॉइंट करता है वो कौन होता है? यू हैव 5 seconds टू कमेंट। The correct answer is Banks Board Bureau. Option number B. Name the Prime Minister of Ethiopia who has been elected for second 5-year term. Name the Prime Minister of Ethiopia who has been elected for second 5-year term. The correct answer is D. Abiy Ahmed. Next question. What was the revenue collected from goods and services tax in September? What was the revenue collected? The correct answer is B. Rupees 1.17 lakh crore rupees. ठीक है. Next, which edition of Australian Navy and Indian Navy bilateral exercise or SINDEX AUSINDEX has been conducted in September 2021? You have 5 seconds to comment. So the correct answer is option number D, 4th. Which edition exercise was this? This was 4th. Sanjay Bhargav will head which firm of Elon Musk in India? Option is C, Starlink. या ये क्वेश्चन इस तरह से आ सकता था कि द Starlink विल बी हेडेड बाय whom इन इंडिया? तो है संजय भार्गव. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, which state became the first state in India to begin organized cultivation of true dalchini? Which state has become the first? It is Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Next, which of the following team has won the Durand Cup 2021? Durand Cup फुटबॉल से रिलेटेड है. Durand Cup फुटबॉल से रिलेटेड है. ठीक है. So which of the following team has won the Durand Cup 2021? The right answer is option number C, Football Club Goa. Okay. Next question. Ajay Warrior is an annual joint military exercise of Indian Army with which country? Ajay Warrior is an annual joint military exercise of Indian Army with which country? Correct answer is UK, United Kingdom. Option number C is the correct answer. Next, the Greenfield Sindhudurg Airport has been inaugurated in which state under the Udan scheme? It has been inaugurated in which state under the Udan scheme? Correct answer is A, Maharashtra. Okay. Next, the Airport Authority of India has recently handed over the operational control of the Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport in Guwahati to which company? किस कंपनी को दिया है? The correct answer is option number A, Adani Group. Okay. Next, in order to further strengthen bilateral relation with India, Mette Frederiksen is on 3-day visit to India. She is the Prime Minister of which country? So she is the Prime Minister of Denmark. She is the Prime Minister of Denmark. The combined area of the Guru Ghasidas National Park and Tamor Pingla Wildlife Sanctuary has been declared as the new Tiger Reserve of India. In which state is the facility located? So this is located in Chhattisgarh. Option number D is the right answer. The Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index (MPI) report is released by which organization? किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने रिपोर्ट रिलीज़ की है मल्टी डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स? करेक्ट आंसर इज UNDP, यूनाइटेड नेशंस डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम. नेक्स्ट, द फ्लोरल फेस्टिवल बथुकम्मा इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया? In which state of India? It is in Telangana. Option number D is the right answer. Who is the winner of the 4th Satyajit Ray Award in 2021? Who is the winner of the 4th Satyajit Ray Award in 2021? You have 5 seconds to comment. Correct answer is Bejawada Gopal. Next, the second phase of the Quad Nations Exercise Malabar 2021 will be held in which region? Second phase of Quad Nations Exercise Malabar in 2021 will be held in which region? It will held in which region? Come on. Correct answer is D, Bay of Bengal. और ये कौन से नंबर का एक्सरसाइज था? दिस वॉज 25th एडिशन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, what is the theme of the 2021 International Day of the Girl Child? The correct answer is option number B, Digital Generation, Our Generation. Okay. Next, who has been appointed as the new chairman of the fintech startup BharatPe? BharatPe के नए चेयरमैन कौन बने हैं? द करेक्ट आंसर इज रजनीश कुमार. रजनीश कुमार. नेक्स्ट, विच स्टेट हैज़ लॉन्च्ड द देश के मेंटर प्रोग्राम फॉर इट्स स्कूल चिल्ड्रन स्टडिंग इन क्लास 9th to 12th? Which state has launched the देश के mentor program? The correct answer is option number B, Delhi. How many medals have been won by Indian shooting team at the 2021 ISSF Junior World Championship? How many medals total? Correct answer is option number A, 43. Next, PM Modi recently addressed the 25th Foundation Day program of the National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) of India. Who is the chairperson of NHRC? Who is the chairperson of NHRC? The correct answer is Justice Arun Kumar Mishra, option number C. Next, the Airports Authority of India has leased the Jaipur International Airport to Adani Group for how many years? कितने सालों के लिए लीज पर दिया है? So the correct answer is option number A, 50 years. What is the name of the official mascot for U17 Women's World Cup 2022? Correct answer is IBHA, IBHA. Option number B is the correct answer. Next, Sardar Balwinder Singh Nakai, who has passed away, was the chairman of which organization? सरदार बलविंदर सिंह नकाई किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के चेयरमैन थे? द करेक्ट आंसर इज इफ्को, IFFCO, इफ्को. Which country will host the FIFA U17 Women's World Cup in 2022? Correct answer is option number C, India. Next, Manu Bhaker has recently won record breaking medals for India in a single championship in which event? मनु भाकर को रिसेंटली अवार्ड मिला है किस इवेंट में? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, शूटिंग. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.